What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So for this week I've only taken two trades, and then that's what I want to show you guys. So for the first trade, this was it. I entered for a sell from here, but price kept bouncing around this. Is my entry point, and then there was news yesterday. So today is Friday, so there was news yesterday, so I had to close out, and then eventually the news still pushed price to my direction. So this trade was a 1:3.5 trade, so I closed that with nothing. So I'll say close positions. Uh, this is the trade here. Look at what I closed. I just closed that. It's no profit. Then for the 20k account, this is what I closed that with $14. So that's it. So I'm in on this sell. I don't know if I got in too early, so I'm expecting price to start selling from this point, but seems like it's going against me. So let me see, I'll update you guys on this trade. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the trades which I've taken for 2 weeks now, because I've not posted for like 2 weeks, and one of the weeks I did not trade because I was waiting for a particular setup, but that I did not trade for that week. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the trade which I took for 2 weeks now, which is this week that just got ended and the previous one. So let's get into the video. Let me switch my screen and then show you guys the trades and the results. So there's it. You guys, so welcome to my screen. So as you guys can see, this was the first trade, which you guys might have seen in a clip before this one. So this was the first trade, and then this was the second trade. So this second trade I ended up losing at some profits, because when price spiked down, and then I saw that price was like trying to just giving so many rejection and not trying to sell down, so I had to close this trade. And this trade I was taking on the 15th of August. So let's check the previous trade. So on the 15th is it. So I managed to close that in $18 on this trade, and then on the C trade, let me see if I can see it. That was on the 15th. So I don't know why this is. Okay. So on the 15th, I closed out this one at $132, which is not even up to 1% on both accounts you get. So this was the trade. After I closed that trade, took me out, and then the next trade was this other one. So I was expecting price to buy from this level. I entered, and then price moved. It moved in my direction, but it could not break this high it has created here. So it moved in my direction and then whipped back and then started ranging. Then I said no, price is not ready to buy, and then I had to close out. This trade was taken on the 18th of August. So let's check the previous trade. So on the 18th is it. So when I saw that price was not ready to buy. I had to close at $4. Excuse. I had to close at just $4, and then let me see on the what's it called? I was 18th. I closed this one at $16 on the 20k account. So the next trade was this sell here. This sell which I took this week that just ended. So I entered for this sell here, and then price spiked down. This bearish candle you're seeing here, price spiked down, and then I had to move my stop to break even, and then I was waiting for price. This is where I was targeting, because this is the trade I've been waiting for. This is the setup I've been waiting for a very long time. I'll show you guys. I'm waiting for price to come test this level and then start buying. So I was targeting here since price did not test, it just came, missed it with some pips. So I was expecting price to come back and test this level before buying. So once I saw this bearish candle that closed like this, I was like confident to know that this was going to sell with it, and then I had to move my stock. And then I had to move my stop to break even, and then price came back and took me out. So this was on the 21st of August. So let's see it. So 21st. You see, this was the last trade on the account. It hit my break even at $2. So I did not like take any loss on this trade. And then for the 20k account, it's break even at and closed at $9. So overall, this is the trade which I've taken so far on this account. I fell ill, and so I was not able to, like, the first week too, there was no setup, so I did not take any trade. The other week I fell ill, and then this trade I took, I was not able to, like, take trades and then screen record and all those stuff. So I just take them, allow them to play out, and then I'll come back and then update you guys, because this is a journey. I cannot, like, skip any part. So these are the trades I've taken for like the past 2 weeks now. Last week that just ended, and then the previous one before the last week. So these are it. So this account, I've managed to take this account from 6% plus in drawdown to back to 2%. So we are currently down 2% on this account. You can see the equity and balance is at 4,900. So I just have 2% more to get out of drawdown, and then see if I can make any profit on this account, and then place withdrawal. So on the 20k account, it's still in phase 1. There's nothing much going on here. It's not even like, it's just like 0.5% in profit. So there's nothing much. I still have a long way to go on this 20k account. So let's see if this week will be good. So this was the trade which I was actually waiting for. This was the second which I was actually waiting for. So I was waiting for price. After price like broke out, this price was creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it changed. Market structure shift, it changed from the bearish trend, and then broke out. So I was expecting price to come back to this level. Normally I usually mark my level on the body of the candle and not the wick. So for those that covers the wick, that how the setup, they would have taken it. If you cover the wick, something like this, and that's where I've taken this trade, because you paid attention to this week. So what I'm looking at for this week currently, I'll be looking for go to buy. I'll be expecting buy, so I'll be looking for buys. Even though I like try to catch sales, I'll be looking for more buys tickets. So that's just it. So definitely this bullish move like this, price has to like retrace at least at some point, but most time gold does not retrace. You just like continue buying. To not even give you an opportunity to like get into the market to join the trend or something like that. So that's just it. So the 5k account is 2% down in profit, and then the 20k account 0.5% in 0.5% in profit. So let's see how the account goes. So that's all for the account so far. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Because I keep on documenting the journey, I'll keep on documenting it till I blow this account. Except I blow this account. If I don't blow this account, I'll keep on documenting the journey. And I just want to talk about something like I've been losing motivation. I swear to God, I've been losing motivation. If you guys notice, my like I've not been like documenting this thing really good, and then I'm seeing it from my YouTube backend because it has not been having lots of engagement. I've been losing motivation because this drawdown like is messing with me, but it's part of trading. Like you get into drawdown, you come out, you have losing streaks, you come out. But I've not been in drawdown like 6% before. Like I've not been in drawdown, like especially for this funded account. You know, this is my first funded account, and then I went to drawdown like 6%, thinking I'm going to lose the account. So that's just I've just been trying to like show up sincerely. I've been pushing myself to just show up. Sometimes I just don't want to make this video. Sometimes I just don't want to document. Sometimes I just want to like just trade privately. You get and stop documenting, but there's nothing there for me to do. I'll just keep showing up. It's part of the journey. You don't have to be like, I don't think there's any point like you be doing something and like feel like giving up or feel like just stopping that thing or feel down about it. So this is it for this it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. If you like me coming on here to document my journey, just kindly like, subscribe, and then turn on post notification. Please like the video to like support and encourage me. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Stay safe, guys.